नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। So many days passed on and market was going on downside. Each and every stock were being dragged down until now. Maximum stocks are there which have given a breakout of around 30 to 40 to 50% max to max.
बात तो सही है.
Now the situation was as clear as water, you know very well. The foreign investors moved out from the market, but still side by side the institutions were buying in the stock market. Till today, each and every investor was in panic situation whether the market is going to go more downside or no. It's a probability from here of around 5 to 10%. Probability here, it means it may go, it may not go. Just as I said, maximum stocks have given a breakout around 50% also. The stocks which you are holding in this demat already have given maximum breakout, so you need to invest in small quantity on those stocks which you have in your demat. There were many stocks for which the results were fantastic in all aspect, whether the sales or the profit. Each and every aspect was fantastic. Still, just because of global market situations, market was going downside. The stocks like Hudco is close around 193. You can buy some. Recently Hudco has given a dividend, you might have received in your account. Same way Coal India is close around 358. Some you can accumulate in steps. Sandhar Technology, which is close around 402. The stock performance was excellent as per results. Still it was dragged down. Then Tilaknagar Industry, it is close around 279. Recently it gave a breakout of around 25% as a court case was going on which was not in his favor. Then Ratan India Enterprise, then VST Industries Cigarette Company, it is closed at 315. Ratan India is closed at 49. Each and every stock performance was fantastic, but still due to the panic situation that went throughout the market just because of FII moving out. So now you can buy in steps, no issue. To some extent market is going to give stability, and the whole market is not relying on the FII, because in India there are numbers of investors that can turn out the situation of the market in positive trend, just because the time has come where you need to enter into the market in each and every stock where the numbers were fantastic.
बात तो सही है.
And they have given a maximum breakout. Coming to the next stock which I have brought for you is ASAL. ASL is a automotive sector which was earlier given by me, in my personal view, suggested at 640. My target was 850 and each reached beyond the target and hit the year high 1094. Today it has given a breakout of around 50%, I guess. It is closed around 505. There might be some breakout with respect to the market conditions. Still you can buy in steps, and I think it will give you a fantastic move, good returns on your investment. The stock belongs to Tata Group.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
Yes, the company makes chassis of passengers as well as commercial vehicles for Tata Group companies. Promoter has 75% of stake. Stock is fantastic with respect to the results, and as I said, it has given almost 50% breakout. So you can buy in steps, no issue.
जान दे देंगे इसके लिए, क्या बात कर रहे हो आप?
Again, I would like to clear once again, you need not have to get panic in such a market where the maximum breakout has been given. Probability is there might be somewhat correction ahead, but still the stocks like this won't give much breakout.
बात तो सही है.
So you can buy for it, and you can share your comments as well as you can share the video to your loved ones, your friends, colleagues. You can take suggestions from your expertise and then you can go for it. I'll be back again after searching one more stock or more stock for you, same way.
एहे रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना. नहीं सुके
Trade safe, have a nice day, take care.